Silver State Trains, I'm back at it again. I just drilled my first hole from the very first feeder I'm going to install on this layout. So see a whole jumble of wires there. That's some of the feeders that I have. So I'm gonna start putting power to this puppy. See what happens. All right, well I got one feeder installed, but I figured before I go any further, I'm gonna mount my the NCE power cab interface, whatever it's called. So I'm gonna drill that in right here. It's kind of a direct shot to my bus that's over there. So that's what I'm gonna do. Time for the chisel. Like a glove. All right, I mounted my circuit breaker on a board, so it's nice and protected. I'm just gonna put it up here like that. Let's see, is that big enough? Of course not. All right, let me run it like that, maybe. I guess I could do that. Quite how I wanted to do it, but that'll work. Trying to be quiet. I should use my other drill. There we go. All right, this is the plug for the NCE power cab, which is now way too long. I can staple that up. All right. All right, cool. And that reaches. So now I have power. I just got to run this over to there. I want this to go through there. All right. Now I can run the power through. All right, well, I have my NCE power cap system hooked up. I only have one feeder on, which is literally right here. But that should be enough to run one train till I hit a switch. So I have not tested this yet. See if it works. We got power. On speed set 20. Let's see. She's gonna pop up. You can see her right there. Let's see. Like pop up right underneath that bridge. Let's try it in the other direction. That's with one feeder on the entire layout. All right. That's cool. Running DCC again. Awesome. Oh, one feeder down. What do I got here? That's not all of them either. So I think I have I want to say I have close to 30 feeders, possibly, and I just ordered one more because there appears to be a shortage of these right now because I cannot get them at all on Train World. But yeah, I think I'm going to call it quits today. Oh, I did a little bit. I cut up that big sheet of foam I had, so that's just going to be filler on the inside of the mountain. So I'm still going to put that track up considerably higher. It's only, was that, an inch and a half? I don't remember if that board's a half inch. I think that's an inch and a half. So I think I want that track to sit probably, a good 4 inches above. But we'll see. Something to play with. But anyhow, I'm going to call it quits for today. So with that, thank you all for watching, and have a good one.